Hey y'all, trying to get a little information. Got 2001 Cadillac Seville. I just checked my wheel bearings. Well, I checked my wheel, and with the wiggle, and I'm assuming it's the wheel bearings. I'm hearing the grinding of the woo sound while I'm driving. So I'm pretty sure it's the wheel bearings, but I'm also hearing this clunking noise. I'm not turning, I'm just driving. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Tell me what you guys think.